Hello, today I've got a 2009 Dodge Avenger 2.4 auto sedan. It's a hail damaged vehicle, a few hail dings here and there, but it has got 4 good doors. Bonnet and boot, we've got some damage, and so do the mud guards, but it's only minor. Can you see that there? It's dark. Take there. There's a bit of glare here, it's always awkward in the sun. There's our main plate here, gives you all the rest of the details. Okay, very clean and tidy interior, grey cloth. Everything intact, as I say, it's just a hail damaged car, hail affected. I've marked all the dings and dents on it, so you can see on the boot lid there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They aren't mine, but they are there. Clean. It's done 88,000 kilometres. Got a good set of wheels and tyres. The tyres are nearly brand new. Let's get in here. We've got the engine running right at the moment. See there. The speedo reading. There we go. 88677 kilometres. Everything's stock standard. Clean as a whistle. Just open the bonnet there. Got our little glove box there. Owner's manual in here. All there. Very clean, tidy car. Let's open the bonnet for you. There goes the truck. It's a bit hard, you know. Oh, there's the engine. Let's get the bonnet stay on there. Ticking away there. Good headlights. Front bar's got some nicks and scrapes in it. A couple of dings on that mudguard there. And so the bonnet's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dings. And it's got also some corrosion, or it's an alloy bonnet, so it's not been prepared properly. It's safe on factory. Excuse me. There we go. See where the marks where the hail is. All repairable, but okay, it is there. Alright. So that's it. 2009 Dodge Avenger, now being dismounted for parts. So if you need anything, please give us a call. We're here to help you. Thanks a lot. I'll just shut this down for you. There we go. Good night.